Hello traders, there is a huge fall in the global market because of the Trump's tariff, and as well as China is imposing taxes and against US trades and US. So you could able to see like market has fallen in the US 30 around 5.52%, like it's around minus 2232 points in the US 30. And we could also able to see for the SGX Nifty it has fallen around 600 points, like roughly in the sense like 615 points. So this impact the Monday's market, like there will be a huge drop, and which we can expect that the market can comes up to the correction of 22,000 in this range, exactly like 22,492 and 22,596. We could able to see a pattern in the weekly chart which shows like the market can comes up to the level of levels to take these liquidity, this range. So furthermore we have to wait, but the liquidity which lies recent is this, so it can take this region like 21,950. So these are the important range. For the furthermore there will be a huge gap down on Monday market, and for this thing there will be a totally there will be a change in the support and resistance. For this, the support S1 and S2 will be changing totally, because the S1 is lies here. Okay, I'm changing the S2 which lies here. The S1 range, right? Mark the points in the coordinates in the chart. So the S1 is here in this region 22,356, whereas the S2 which comes under 22,161. So these are the support and resistance. When it comes to support and when it comes to the resistance for Monday's market, like the resistance R1 is like 22,746, whereas the R2 is in this region 22,909. So these are the important levels. If the market breaks the S2, as I said, like it can comes to the range of 22,000 to 21,900. There is a huge move, like in-depth move and possibilities over for the Nifty 50. Let's go on analysis for the Bank Nifty. As I said, it has taken the resistance, so market will be pushing further down. So this will act as a resistance one. So the R1 is in the range of 51,080, whereas the R2 is around 51,356. When we comes to the S1 and the S2, we have a huge gaps that needs to be filled. So whereas the S1 I'm changing a coordinates which comes around 50,000, like 50,020, and whereas the S2 this gap needs to be filled at first, like which is in the range of 49,729 to 49,798, in roughly 800. So the S2 coordinates are like 49,010, like I am expecting market needs to correct like 1,000 to 2,000 points in further days. Let's see. So these are the important resistance and support over the Bank Nifty. Let's go on analysis for the Sensex. For the Sensex we have a good strike price which is available, so we need to choose a exact strike price. If you have watched the previous videos, you could able to get which strike price we need to choose, and we need to monitor what are the OI changes over those strike price. So for furthermore you have to monitor exactly on each and every strike price in the Sensex and the Nifty comparatively, and I suggest watching the OI changes would help you to trade furthermore better. For these updates and all, I would request to like monitor the chart each and every day. So the S2 which is in the gap, right? So it will be easily broken. I'm changing because these are the easiest one for the Sensex because it can fly over in a rocket speed. So the S1 will be in this range of 74,228 and the S2 is in the range of 72,918. When it comes to the resistance level, the R1 and its coordinates are 76,028. When it comes to the range of R2, the levels are 76,921. So these are the importance levels for the Sensex. As I said, watch the OA changes in these in Sensex and the Nifty simultaneously. I prefer watching those levels will help you to choose a strike price exactly, which help you to trade furthermore even better because of there is a global huge fall. It will really impact in the Nifty and Sensex. For those changes, we will see you on Monday, like how the market changes and how our analysis work on the chart, and we will give you in the shorts level as well. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.